Making a choice at Starbucks as to which coffee to buy is a big task. Now to this I'll add few drops of chocolate out for this texture of it, or even some cocoa powder if you really like. When you are at Starbucks, taking a decision about coffee is a big task. Whenever we go to any coffee house, we are so confused as to which coffee to select, and it's a very big confusion really. Today I decided that I'll tutor you all to select your coffee of your own choice. So we are going to make cappuccino, flat white, latte and mocha coffees, but without any machine. Yes, even though we do not have any machine, we can still make coffee in the same way at home. So we have the lukewarm water we made just now. So water shouldn't be too hot, remember that. So what we'll do first is we'll take 2 teaspoons of coffee and add it to this glass over here. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 to 3 teaspoons of water into this, and I'll have to just go on doing this. So take a look, we have got a really frothy coffee and sugar with warm water mixture, and it should become like this. So see, look at the texture. So just by beating like this, it has become like this. So let's add our milk into this same way. So we are not going to add anything else, there will be only milk in this. So look at this. Okay, so look at this, our milk has really frothed up a lot. Coffee mixture which we created is a double espresso. So we'll add the double espresso into this like this along with the froth. Okay, so this is the first layer in the cappuccino which goes. The foam shouldn't go inside. Right now we are only pouring the milk. So look at this, our cappuccino is partly formed. So we'll just soothe out the froth over the top like this to even it out like this. Put the milk froth on the top like this. Now to this I'll add few drops of chocolate. And I'll make a design like this. So our cappuccino is ready now. Tastes really good. Now for mocha, I'll teach you how to make cafe mocha. So now we are going to make mocha. So for this I'll have to put the double espresso first along with the froth, chocolate milk. So here I have some chocolate milk. I will have to froth this up to like this and add the froth chocolate milk into the layer and make a layer of the chocolate milk above the double espresso. Very gently we should pour this milk, the frothy milk along with the milk. So first I'll add some milk and then I'll add the froth on top of it. Now I'll take the froth and I'll add it on top of this. Now we'll design it with our chocolate. My mocha is also ready along with the chocolate milk inside it, and I'm going to taste it now. So in cappuccino there is double espresso, milk and milk froth on top of it, but in mocha we have chocolate milk also in the second layer. The first layer will be the double espresso, second layer will be the chocolate milk, third layer will be the steamed milk, and on the top of it will be the froth milk. So this is the difference between mocha and cappuccino. So enjoy your coffee. I'll make cold coffee too right now. So in this warm water I have added sugar, and I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, and I'll again create a froth in this by beating it up, for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Look at this, guys. See, we are looking out for this texture when it comes to the cold coffee. So we'll take a huge glass like this and we'll pour some chocolate on its sides like this. Let's just mess it up with chocolate like this. We can even freeze this glass for some time so that the chocolate gets all settled on the glass like this. Now to this, what I'll do is I'll add all this frothy textured coffee. I'll add some ice cubes to this. So we need cold milk for this. So milk till the froth comes up, and we'll just put a little bit of the coffee froth which we made on top of it like this. We'll add a little bit of chocolate on top of this, a scoop of ice cream, and some more chocolate on top of it like this. So take a look, it's looking so amazing. You can even dust some coffee powder on top of it, or even some cocoa powder if you really like chocolate a lot. So let's taste it. This is amazing. This is really, really, really amazing. So just make your own coffee and have it at home itself. So the flat white coffee will have double espresso at the bottom, steamed milk will be the middle layer or the second layer, and the third layer will be the milk foam. So this is your flat white coffee, and latte will have the same thing, double espresso, steamed milk and foam, milk foam. So this is how you can differentiate with your coffee and know what to buy next time when you go to a coffee shop, and be very confident about it. So next time, enjoy your coffee and have fun, guys.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply city.